Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Adeni. I want to show you today how to customize the media carousel widget on the Elementor to give emphasis to your active element. You want to make your active element larger. You want to make it colored while other are grayscale. Anything you can think about. I'm just going to show you how to do that right away. So I found this question on the Elementor community. Um, so that's the motivation. Solomon Shakespeare wants how to do that. So I'm just going to do that right now. Yeah, so let's get started. I have it here already designed. So this is my tutorials page. The first tutorial I made is custom info box. So the link of how I made this info box and customize and all that is going to be up or somewhere on your screen or in the description below. So this is what I'm talking about, the media carousel. So here is my backend, and I have media carousel here. This is the setup with 5 items. The effect is slide. The slides to preview and to scroll is default. My height set to 400. You can adjust this to whatever suits you. You can adjust it to whatever suits you. So depending on what you want to achieve, I'm just okay with this 400, 800. So it depends on what you want to achieve. You can work around this size. So my arrow is on. You can switch it off, change your pagination, whatever you choose. So my transaction duration here is 200 and autoplay speed 3000, that's 3 seconds and all that. You can see my setup here. So how did I achieve this? I used a custom CSS, and I'm going to give you the custom CSS in the description below. So while I remove the custom CSS, this is how the carousel looks like. By default, add some things. There's no space between, then the border radius and all that. So the CSS code that gives emphasis to your active element is just right in the description below. Code is here. One thing you are going to notice is the center element or media file is larger. Then the other files are not just smaller, but the saturation is down. So you can see there's no color on this. Let me change to the next. You can see there's no color here, but when it's active, then the color comes up. There's no color here. When it's active, the color comes up. Even you see this, it's grayscale, black and white. So when you focus on this, it comes with the color. So the CSS code is here. What I use is filter, grayscale. But the important thing is having this center image larger than the others. You can as well increase this the values here to suit whatever you need. So I'm going to give you the CSS code in the description below. Thank you so much. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Yeah, let me just say a few things about the code so you understand what's going on. In the Elementor media carousel, the first element, the first file, the first image or media by the left is actually the active element. The second is the next. So what I did was to use CSS to reduce the size for every of the elements, then now increase that of this next, which is the center. So that's all what you have here, and all that and all that. The code will be available. Just copy and paste it and you are good to go. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share. See you in the next video. God bless you.